In this video, we'll explore how file management works in Shapelab. We'll go over supported file formats, how to import models and reference images, how vertex color data is handled, and what happens when exporting your work to other software. Shapelab supports several types of files, including 3D models, reference images, and Shapelab's own project files. It's important to note that Shapelab does not render textures or play animations inside the workspace. Shapelab supports multiple common 3D file formats. STL files can be imported and exported and are commonly used for 3D printing. However, they do not support textures or color information. OBJ files are widely used for transferring models between different applications and support vertex color as well as texture baking during export. FBX files are commonly used for animation pipelines and game engines. When working with FBX files in other software, vertex color may need to be configured manually. GLB is a compact format often used for web or AR applications. It usually handles vertex connections automatically when imported into other tools. You can also import reference images to use as visual guides while sculpting. Supported formats include PNG and JPEG. PNG images also support transparency. To add a reference image, go to File, Add Image. Once placed in the scene, reference images can be locked or adjusted using the context menu on the primary controller. Shapelab also uses its own native project format called SL3D. This format saves your entire workspace, including layers, sculpting history, colors, and brush settings. To reopen a saved project, go to File, Load Project. Quick-saved projects are automatically stored in your Documents Shapelab folder. To import assets correctly, make sure you use the appropriate menu option. Shapelab stores color and material data using two separate vertex color channels. The first channel, called Color 0, stores the primary color information. The RGB values represent the base color, while the alpha channel is used as a mask for blending or visibility. The second channel, Color 1, stores PBR material information. Here, the red channel represents roughness, the green channel represents metalness, and the blue channel controls emission, which is used for glow effects. This allows Shapelab to store both visual color and material properties directly in vertex data. When exporting your model using File, Export, you can choose how color data should be handled. If your model contains vertex colors, you can bake those colors into texture maps during export. This option is available when exporting to OBJ, GLB, or FBX. To create texture maps, a model needs UV coordinates. If the model does not already contain UVs, Shapelab will automatically generate them during export. Depending on the complexity of the mesh, this process may take several minutes. Shapelab can also simplify your model automatically during export. When this option is enabled, the software creates a duplicate of your mesh and generates a lower polygon version.